How to fix slow loading issues in Canva on Android. This tutorial covers several fixes to try if the app feels sluggish or takes forever to load your designs. First, check your internet connection by swiping down to open the Quick panel and switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. From there, close out any other apps running in the background that might be eating up memory. After that, long press the Canva app icon from your home screen or app drawer. At this point, tap App Info. Following this, tap Storage. From here, tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that could be slowing things down. At this stage, back out and tap Force Stop. Following this, tap OK to confirm. From here, reopen Canva and check if it's loading faster now. If it's still slow, the design itself might be the issue rather than the app. At this stage, if your specific design has a lot of high-resolution images, videos, or elements, that can genuinely slow down loading regardless of your connection. Following this, try removing or compressing some of the heavier elements if performance is still an issue. From here, if the problem continues across every design, go back into App Info and tap Storage. At this stage, tap Clear Data instead this time. Keep in mind, clearing data will sign you out, so make sure you know your login details before continuing, and confirm when prompted. Following this, scroll down within App Info and tap App Details in Store to check if an update is available, and install it if there is one. From here, press and hold the Power button until the Power menu appears, and tap Restart to fully refresh your device. That's how you fix slow loading issues in Canva on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!